Yo, all right. So we out here today, Laurel Springs, New Jersey, 26 Stone Road, trying out these golden nugget wings. Uh, I mentioned these wings to a couple big backs, and the big backs said they was amazing. So we gonna give it a shot. They come recommended and endorsed by big back bitches. And you know, they might not really be big back bitches, but they eat like they big back bitches and they greedy. So if they endorsing it, we gonna see what they hitting for. Now, this is just a little hole in the wall spot. You know what I'm saying? They got jukebox over there, some pool tables in the back. You know, TVs all around so you can watch the games, sporting events, or whatever. You know, nice bar. The crowd seemed pretty welcoming. I'm waiting to pick up my wings. I can't get any service. She's over here just conversing, you know, with a couple people, you know, not paying any attention to me. I'm just waiting. And then I happen to see somebody I know, and he came in after me and get service before me. Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, buddy? How you doing? Yo, good to see you, man. Everything's good?
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's what's up. You still over at Prudential?
I am.
Yeah? How's your parents doing?
They're doing good. Yeah,
That's
all
what's
working
up.
together still.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Tell everybody I said hi.
You will, definitely.
Good to see you, man. Yeah, crazy.
Great to see you, buddy.
Hi, man.
Yeah,
I heard the wings is good,
Oh,
man.
they're amazing.
Yeah.
They're really good.
That's
I used
what's
to
up.
go to their other one. This is right up the street.
Right. Okay. I'm just trying to pick up some wings. Somebody came in after me. They already got service. I'm trying to pick up some wings. He came in after me, rolling. I got a text message saying it was done. Was mine on top of his? He took the whole thing? But it was a bag on top. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Alright, so we not off to a good start here. You know what I'm saying? Somebody came in after me, got their service before me. But customer service too. But we gonna see what these wings is hitting for. Alright. First thing we gonna do is give it the eye test. I mean, they look pretty good. I got this towel underneath so I don't make a mess. But they look pretty good. They smell good. They're not the meatiest wings I've ever seen, but the price is good. I mean, 10 wings, $13. That's a pretty good price. So, and I'm gonna tell y'all, this is sauce on here. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what the sauce is. You know what? The size on them. Now I put on my glasses. The size ain't really that bad, and it's a hot honey jerk sauce. So we gonna see what it's hitting for. We about to take a big bite. Alright, me personally, I like the drums. You know what I'm saying? I don't like doing that little extra work, sticking your finger in that little crease to get the meat out the flat. So me, I'm a drumstick dude. They're juicy. I wouldn't necessarily say they're fried hard. The flavor is decent. I mean, I wouldn't go as far as to say amazing. Like, it tastes like any other wing I've ever had. Like, I don't see nothing. I had asked for extra hot and honey sauce. I don't know if I was just selecting the flavor or if it was supposed to be a sauce in the box, but I don't see a sauce. It did come with a blue cheese. We're gonna try that in a sec. Let's finish off this wing. Alright, this time we're gonna dip the flat into the blue cheese. Me personally, I'm not a big condiments person, but let's try the blue cheese. Let's get a little bit extra on that. The blue cheese is good. But yeah, like I said, I'm not overly impressed. They just taste like regular old wings to me. Not bad, but not amazing. So, come check them out. Golden Nugget. Put a little video up of the spot and my interaction with the staff. But if you got any recommendations, any place I should go next, leave it in the comments. If you eating these Golden Nugget wings and you think I'm off, let me know.